Hey guys, progress has been made. So you might want to go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink, and get yourself a snack because you don't want to miss out on what I will be sharing with you. This is part 2 of the makeover of the She Shed, and she has really had a lot that has been done, and she is really looking beautiful. All right, you guys, continue watching. Welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Basin, and as you can see, we are back out in the She Shed. You guys, we've done a lot here. The paint has been done. The ceiling has been completed and painted. Today we're going to put up the blinds out here, and then I will give you a view of a little bit of what we've done so far. The paint color is sea salt blue, so we did that around the walls and the trim, and then the ceiling is white. The window trim, we did white. We're going to put up the blinds today, and the flooring has been completed. So I'm just going to give you guys just a little bit of what has happened so far since the last video. But this is not the reveal time. I'm not completely, I've still got to do some washing down of the door here. And so it's a slow process because we're trying to do it in between time regular life. But I think you guys are going to be excited to see what has occurred. I'm excited, and I'm excited to share with you guys. So stay tuned, and we're going to work on the blinds that we're going to use, you guys. It's a 31 by 48. I think the actual size that I needed was a 31 by 45, but in checking with Lowe's and Home Depot and some of the other places, no one had that actual size. Everybody had sold out. It was not available. So I found the 31 by 48 at overstock.com. It is the 1-inch vinyl blind. I apologize for the noise over there. Hubby is working on getting set up so he can do the install, but these are the blinds that we're going to use here. And so we're going to proceed with putting up the blinds, and then I will give you guys another view of what has actually taken place. So what I'm doing is cleaning the windows. I'm starting here because the blind has already been installed here. So I'm cleaning it because of all of the dust and the debris from the walls and the paint. Now these windows are the double pane windows, which are energy efficient windows. And it's so that when it's hot outside, the air won't escape, and when it's cold, the heat won't escape. So very good windows, energy efficient. The blinds here are the cordless blinds, and all you do is just take and give them a good little pull down and attach them to the bottom. There's a snap that my husband placed on the bottom that you just attach to keep the blinds sturdy. So these are the blinds have gone in. You see the walls, you see they've been painted, you see the trim has been put around the doors. I am so excited. So you guys want to just continue watching just to see everything that has been done.
You were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? I said, girl, you're in my mind. Oh, yeah. Back like the sweetest breath of air. Oh yeah, it's amazing. At the same time, how you take my breath away. Oh yeah, can't explain. Ooh. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? You don't have to tell me twice. Oh yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies.
So guys, this is the flooring. I am so excited about this flooring. It is absolutely beautiful. I know I shared with you in the original video that we had it waiting to be installed. So as you can see, the flooring has been installed. You guys, you must tell me what you think about this flooring. Absolutely gorgeous. I love, love, love this flooring. Beautiful. That is some stuff there we have to put away. And again, this is not the reveal because I'm not completely done with what we're planning to do. But as you can see, the paint color, the ceiling, the blinds have been installed. The blinds, did I say the blind or the blinds? The blinds have been installed. And as you can see, the color is sea salt blue. The trim is white. And this door here is one that we, or that my husband picked up from a, I guess you'd call it one of those refurbishing places, or not a consignment shop, but places that, like a rehab store or something like that. We could not actually use a regular house door. We had to get a mobile home door. And so this door came with the screen already. So, so this is the screen that it came with in the door. And these are some of the things that I have to do before the reveal, is actually clean the door, as you can see there. And it's got a few dings up there, but I'm not going to be too concerned to paint it white. I'm not sure. It's supposed to be white, but on camera it comes off like a, almost like a lavender or something. I don't know. But, don't know if I like that little contrast there, if I'm just gonna leave it or if we're gonna paint it, if we're going to paint it white. But yeah, this is this is where we are today. Okay. And I think for this door here, this is the original door. So I think what we're going to do is paint the trim around white. And that way, that little pop of accent, because we're not going to change this stuff out because it's too expensive. So we're just gonna leave that as it is and hope that it all blends together once we paint the trim around the windows. We'll paint that white, and we'll paint around the door frame white, and then just leave everything else. We're just bringing in, this is an addition to the existing building. This is my little playhouse. So you guys, on the next video, I will share with you the reveal. I will share with you the new channel name, and I will share with you the name for my shed here. Because she's too fabulous and she really does have to have a name. So you guys, let me know what you think of what you've seen so far. As you see, the blinds have been installed and paint's been done and the flooring has been done. All right, you guys, I thank you so much for stopping by on today. If you're new to my channel, again, I welcome you. And if you would like to become a part of this family, all you have to do is hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice. That way you will be notified each and every time that there is an upload. And for those of you that continue to show love and support, I want to say to you, I thank you so very much for all of your love, all of your support. Be blessed, take care, and until the next video. Now, my reveal is going to be after February 19th, and the reason is for that. I have committed to some collaborations, and I don't want to make any changes to my channel name until I am completely done with things that I have committed to. And then after the 19th, I will put up a post and let you guys know the date of the reveal. Be blessed, you guys. I thank you all so very much for hanging by. And you guys, I don't know if you remember, I don't know if I even told you about this lamp here, but I think I saw it at Lamps Plus for like $2.99, and that was just recently. But I picked this lamp up from the consignment shop for it was either $14 or $19. When I saw it, because I was looking for one that I had already, but I couldn't find all of the pieces to it. And I knew I did not want to go out and buy a brand new lamp for in here. So when I saw this lamp and I saw the price on it, I was really excited. So of course, yes. Beautiful lamp. All right, be blessed, take care. Until the next video, I am your host, Gigi Faison. Thank you.